Hey, all of you on the anxiety chat group on Facebook on there. I'm saying that we all need help from someone famous and help from anyone of the sound of our voice to have inflection add to it of that, so we all don't sound like we are robots, of all of us talking and saying something at all anymore of that. Who has very great suggestions and ideas of that. It's the sound of our voice sounding monotone sounding and making all of us sound like robots, of all of us talking and speaking and saying something. It gives all of us anxiety of that, and we all need help of the sound of our voice to have inflection add to it of that. All of you keep on reading and writing. Thanks.